Hi guys, welcome to this Google Dialogflow series. My name is Gagan Thakur, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how the bot looks and how can we test the bot. There used to be this Google Assistance integration directly, but I'm not able to see that somehow. So that's why I'm going to go to integrations, and in integrations, I'm going to go to web demo. Okay, and I'm going to click on this link. So this is the chatbot. Okay, now let's say this is how it looks. So if you deploy it on a website, this is how it's going to look. So let me say hi to this. Okay, when I say hi, this is how it prompts me. Hi, my name is Pizza Bot. I'm here to help you with your pizza order, and I'll say I want to order pizza. Okay, so it's going to ask me what size of pizza shall I order for you. I'll say small. Okay, uh, then it's going to, would you like to specify toppings, and I'll say chicken and onions. Okay, please provide crust, regular or thin. I want to have a regular crust, and there you go. All right, I can help you with your pizza order. So this at the same time, I can also just click on this mic and I can also speak, and it will accept my speech input as well. If with the Google Assistance, I could show you how actually it plays back the input. So basically the thing is plays back the output. So basically the thing is that we have written the logic once only, but I can use this logic for chatbot, or I can use this logic for voice also. So basically the same code will work for both, for multiple channels. That's why it's called omni channel, and that's how it works. So I wanted to show you why Google Assistance, but somehow I don't see. So Google Assistance is usually like in the next to this right now, here somewhere you'll see Google Assistant. Somehow I'm not seeing that. That's why I showed you the bot here. So I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, you can put it in the chat, and I will try to answer those. Thank you so much.